coming to our third agenda, techniques to answer common behavioral and situational interview questions. What are behavioral questions? So, designed to find out how candidates actually behave in certain situations, and questions are based on the candidate's own past and are designed to find out how a candidate coped or handled tricky questions in relationships in the past. So, for example, give me an example of a situation where you had to follow orders that you didn't agree with. Suppose an employer just asks you with this question. So, the employer, like, there will be a conflict in your mind. What is the employer trying to find out here? Whether they are trying to find out that you will report the wrongdoing. Since you don't agree with this order, you will report it to your other employers or your other managers, or whether they are trying to test that do you have a herd mentality, that what others are doing and what my employers is telling me, then I will follow that. So this question relies on the candidate showing examples of good, mature behavior and also talking a lot, but knowing when it is time to leave to stage. So it's very important to answer these behavioral questions in a way that you understand what the employers are asking from you for you, and then preparing your answer in that same way. So another examples of behavioral questions are: describe a situation in which you effectively developed a solution to a problem by combining different perspective or approaches. Also, like, tell me a question where you showed your leadership skills, or tell me how, okay, tell me about a time where you overcame this particular problem. Or for example, if there's an operation based question, how did you achieve that? Was this accessible? So these are the behavioral questions.